This is the Loan Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by pulling your reports from all 3 bureaus and lining up evidence that proves your correct address. Once you have the reports, identify the precise address entry you want removed and note any account links. Make copies of government ID, recent bills, leases, or a USPS change of address confirmation to show intent or error. Begin a dispute with the bureau listing the incorrect address today. Upload or attach your proof and write a brief, factual reason why this address is wrong. Now concentrate on the detailed execution. Submit targeted disputes with each bureau and include your supporting documents and a clear statement of the error. Next, contact the furnisher reporting the address. This is often the fastest fix. Explain why the address is inaccurate and request they update or remove it from their reporting. Make sure to record every confirmation or case number. Once done, set reminders to check responses at 30, 45, and 90 days to track progress and next steps. Finish by carefully reviewing the bureau's responses and the updated reports to confirm the address was removed or corrected. If the bureaus or furnishers fail to act, escalate with a certified dispute letter and include the same evidence. You can also add a fraud alert or temporary freeze if identity risk exists. Make sure to keep every response and proof. If outcomes remain unsatisfactory, file a complaint with the Consumer Bureau and reinitiate disputes, using the documented timeline to strengthen your case.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.